Brad Williams, Excel primed. So only the first measurement before X, case sensitive. Put this in a new list. As I pointed out earlier, the design or the input critical here. Notice we're getting this feedback no X in measurement because we're dealing with this case sensitive. Recognize in our anatomy, we have a 0 here. In our formula, we have a 0. We have a default here. We're using this if error for simplicity, but we can implement the same thing in this example and incorporate this if not found value if no match is found. This is just easier for me because I've been doing this if error so long. Implementing these new arguments may take me a while to incorporate. Either way, you can incorporate either this old school or you can play around with the newer version. Hit F9 until we can get a, here you can see I inserted this no blanks. No blanks. Why we're seeing some errors here. We have this cap X, and that's why it's going to throw that error. Notice here, it looks like there's a space there, and it still picks up. I'm guessing if you copy paste this thing, you're going to see 287 with a space. But the question here is there a space? There is a space right there. And that's the downside. When you incorporate this approach, careful. You can also put a trim in here to remedy this. For example, if we did trim, and let's close that off. Now we can incorporate a trim. Be careful where you put your last parenthesis. This if error stands alone. We're in an island here. Put that parenthesis on the end, you're going to get an error. Copy this down, Control D, F9, a couple times. Let's try to find the space. Hit F9. See right here, 9/8. There's a space there. Copy, paste, hit 9/8. You can see trim cleaned it up. A lot of options available, a lot of tools. A lot of tools available. If you're new to my tutorial, I cover about 300 of the different formulas and functions available, incorporating them. For example, trim is one of many you can incorporate. That's why I just threw this in for fun. But if you're interested in all the details outside of this text and array manipulation course, take a look. Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Thanks for watching.